This is how you prevent fires at an office.
Having it up there definitely takes like the piercing sound away from it though. Oh my god, that would have been so awesome.
We're about an hour into the fire alarm going off at our office. We've now resorted to trying to block the fire alarm. Holy God, that's loud. So if you don't hear from us in the next few hours, you'll know why, because we've all gone insane from listening to this crazy fire alarm go off for an hour. Look at what we resorted to.
That worked.
That's brilliant.
There's no alarm going off in Veritech.
That is brilliant.